Ever found yourself frustrated when subtitles are out of sync with the dialogue on Amazon Prime Video? Let's fix that right now. The most common culprit for subtitle delays is often a simple setting adjustment, and the easiest way to tackle this is directly within the video player itself. When the movie is playing, look for the dialogue bubble icon. This usually appears in the playback controls at the bottom of your screen. Clicking this will bring up your audio and subtitle options. Here, you'll find the subtitle delay setting. This is where you can manually adjust the timing if subtitles are appearing too early. Move the slider towards a positive number. If they are too late, move it towards a negative number. Experiment with small increments, like 5 or 1 second, until the dialogue matches perfectly. Watch the dialogue and the subtitles as you make these adjustments to find that sweet spot for a seamless viewing experience. This method works across most devices, including smart TVs, computers, tablets, and smartphones. Keep in mind that this setting is often specific to the title you're watching, so you might need to readjust for different movies or shows. If adjusting the delay within the player doesn't solve it, a stable internet connection is crucial. Sometimes, a poor or fluctuating connection can cause playback and subtitle lag. Try restarting your router or modem if you suspect an internet issue. Additionally, ensure your Amazon Prime Video app and your device's operating system are up to date. Software updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that could resolve synchronization problems. With these steps, you should be able to enjoy your favorite Amazon Prime content with perfectly synchronized subtitles. Happy watching!